Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing an AllSaints shirt. Let's go. This is the AllSaints Underground short sleeve crew shirt in jet black, size medium. All right. Got this in Vegas. I've had it for a while and it's been collecting dust. Haven't had time to unbox it, so that's why it looks a little crinkly. It's been in the bag. It's came cleaner, not with all this lint. So pretty thick shirt. Here's the tag. Medium, made in Portugal. Oversized fit. 100% organic cotton. All right, here's the back. Wow. All right, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think of this shirt in the comment section below. Again, sorry it's so dusty and wrinkly. I'm sure it was nicer when I bought it, but yeah, just been sitting in a bag ever since I got it. All right, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.